Imagine the Wisconsin Dells like you've never seen it before. Not a water park in sight, but instead an enchanting night walk awaits. Step into a canyon where the natural beauty of the Dells meets an interactive laser light story. It's a journey that transforms the familiar into something extraordinary. In this video, we'll show you what to expect and give you everything you need to know to experience this new attraction for yourself. This LoveNesters adventure will show you the Dells in a whole new light. Aquavia Lumina is a year-round attraction at the Wilderness Resort. Tickets are available on site, but booking online is recommended to secure your spot. Visit the events section of the Wilderness website to select your date, time slot, and number of guests. Remember to bring either a digital or printed copy of your ticket for admissions. The attraction is located near the Glacial Canyon Lodging of the Wilderness Resort. There is plenty of parking available on site. All guests, with or without tickets, enter through the main building where the only restrooms are available. Welcome back to LoveNesters. Today we are taking you to Aquavia Lumina,
the newest attraction in the Wisconsin Dells.
This is an enchanted night walk through a canyon. It's the newest way to see Wisconsin Dells in a whole new light.
Thanks for being here.
You should plan to arrive 15 minutes before your ticket time. Weather permitting, you can relax by the bonfires and enjoy on-site food options. So you do want to be sure that you are aware of the warnings. You are doing a walk in the woods. Wheelchairs and small wheel stroller wagons are not permitted. As usual, we'll tell you to wear good walking shoes. It's about a mile walk, and it should be just magical. There's 9 different zones you can go through at your own pace. So this is a self-guided walk. There are 9 different zones. Each one reruns about every 4 minutes. Lots of light and music and projections going on in here. Aw, look at the sweet little deer. It looks like Bambi.
You walk along this lighted path, and it's both a visual and audio experience. The lights, the music, the sound, it's really, really special right here in Wisconsin Dells. So the most impressive thing to me about this walkthrough experience is the sound. It's all choreographed with the lighting. It has been a fun experience. They choreographed, aligned the images perfectly with the landscape of this rock formation. It's incredible.
And it's so immersive. The deck was actually shaking. You could feel the decibels making the deck shake. This is actually a real stream running through this canyon, but everything is done so well you're not sure what's real and what is imagery. This is so cool. It is so immersive, and it's hard for us to show you everything. It's one of those things that you have to experience for yourself.
The sound quality and the picture quality is incredible. So it's a fantastic journey.
Okay, you're gonna wake up the singing rocks. This is certainly unique. The sound effects and laser displays are themed so perfectly to this canyon. Be sure and take your time so you see each of the laser displays. It's almost disorienting in here. Wow, that was amazing. It is not a Christmas light display. It is an interactive, immersive light show.
And what was amazing was how they put together both the sound quality and the picture quality. Incredible.
It blended perfectly with the outdoor canyon. Recommend you check this out for yourself.